Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to YRK'S Race Academy, Bangalore. Today we are going to discuss about mathematics. Today we are going to start IIT Foundation Mathematics classes for class 6th to class 12. Mathematics Foundation classes we are going to start in this YRK'S Race Academy. Hope those who are interested for IIT Foundation classes in Bangalore, you can contact our academy for the offline classes. Yes, online also available for those who are little far in Bangalore in different locations. Okay, my name is YRK Mohan. I am the founder of this Race Academy Bangalore. This year we are going to seriously concentrate on this entire foundation program as well as plus 1 and plus 2 NEET JEE classes with affordable fee structure which you cannot expect anywhere. That fee structure with high quality, that means local pricing, the high quality teaching. This is what our motto in this Race Academy. Let us start the topic. Today's topic is number system. It's a mathematical topic, mathematics, in which what is exactly number. What is exactly number? Usually number is there, number which represents a count and measurement. So anything we want to count, we need a number, or any measurement we want to do, that information also we will give in terms of saying a number. So number is that which represent a count or measurement. This, what is number? This represent count. This represent measurement. This represent measurement. So this is most fundamental and basic information in this IIT Foundation classes. In this number system topic, we have any number you take that can be written with the help of the 10 symbols we have. What are those 10 symbols? Symbols of that numbers. Symbols of that numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are there symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 symbols. Compulsory we will write with the help of anything we will represent. So these 10 symbols are actually, we will call it as nothing but, these are called digits. These are called digits. What are digits means? These are the 10 symbols we will call they are digits. Okay, dear students, first and most fundamental thing they will ask, what is a digit? What are digits? Then you can call these are digits. There are 10 symbols are there: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are symbols. Now we will come into one important point. What is a natural number? What is a natural number? Most important question in the examination point of view. What is a natural number? That means whatever symbols we wrote here, these are natural numbers, or we have any differences there, that we have to know. That means counting numbers, once we start counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, like that, if you start counting without writing 0, they are denoted by a symbol capital N, which are called natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The symbol for the representation of natural number is capital N. That is nothing but capital N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are called natural numbers. So in this natural number, smallest natural number is what? This is 1 is there na? That we can call smallest natural number. Smallest natural number is 1. But once we start continuing like this, did you find any greatest natural number? Greatest natural number we cannot find, it cannot be determined. Suppose, what is the point? And this smallest is okay. What about the greatest natural number? Greatest natural number asked in the question. Then what you can say? It cannot be determined. It cannot be determined. You cannot say infinitive, unlimited. That number cannot be determined. That is what we will call it as greatest natural numbers question. What is exactly the difference between two consecutive natural numbers? For example, when you are going to find the difference between two consecutive natural numbers, difference between two consecutive natural numbers. What is exactly the meaning of this statement is, you take two consecutive natural numbers, means you take 1 and 2, or you take 2 and 3, or 3 and 4, you should take 2 and you find the difference, then that will come 1. That is the statement meaning. The statement is telling that you start finding the difference between two consecutive natural numbers, you will get answer 1. That is also most important, fundamental. Likewise, when you want to know some application like that of point, suppose you want to take some different symbols like natural numbers, you take A and B. Suppose A and B you are taking, they are natural numbers. They are natural numbers. Then in this particular case, you are also telling that A is less than B. The condition you have taken, A is less than B. In this particular case, what is B minus A? That is 1. That means difference when you are finding here according to this point, the difference you have to calculate by subtracting the small value from the big value. So two consecutive numbers A and B if you take, then B must be greater than A. In that case, the difference between these natural numbers will be equal to 1. Otherwise, it is something other than that. That statement is not holding correct. So that is not correct. Now, the number of natural numbers from A to B. What are A to B? That means whenever you want to find the number of natural numbers from A to B, where A less than B, if you take the same point, number of natural numbers, number of natural numbers from starting from A to B, how it will become? It will be nothing but A, B, difference whatever we calculated B minus A, that point only if you take, with that you will add 1. That is equals to B minus A plus 1. That will become equals to number of natural numbers starting from A to B. Suppose you take an example like A is 2, B is 4. If you take A is 2 and B is 4, assume, what is B minus A? B minus A plus 1 is how much? That is equals to 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. That means starting from A to 4, how many natural numbers are there? 3 are there. What are those 3? 2, 3, 4. That means 2, 3, 4 are three natural numbers are there starting from a 2 to 4. That is working good when we take this formula b minus a plus 1. But means in this condition a, b need not be consecutive numbers. Okay, a and b need not be consecutive numbers. Here also the same condition, but one should be hold good correctly. That is a less than b or b greater than a. That whatever the inequality that should holds good, that exists correctly only, this will all will happen. Okay, let us take down these points in your notes. Okay, we will move to the next point under discussion, that is whole number and integers. Next I would like to discuss about the whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Natural numbers and whole numbers, any difference is there? Let us find out. The numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. In natural numbers are there? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, we have started. So if you include 0 to the natural numbers, that natural number set is called as whole number, denoted by symbol W. That means include 0. What is that? Include 0 in natural numbers. Natural numbers. You will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on will come. That we will call whole numbers. So whole numbers consisting of 0. If 0 is not there, natural numbers. If 0 is also there, then they are called whole numbers. The smallest whole number is what? Like natural number smallest we have calculated. What is smallest whole number in this one is that is 0. In natural numbers that is 1. Now the greatest whole number is there. What is greatest whole number? Like natural numbers greatest whole number is possible? No, it cannot be determined. It cannot be determined. So we cannot determine greatest whole number, but we can tell the smallest whole number is 0, whereas smallest natural number is 1. That is the difference. Now coming to one more point, all natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Whereas if you just try to flip this definition, whatever the statement, all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. Example is 0. If you just keep 0, that 0 is not present in the natural number. So all the whole numbers are not natural numbers, but all the natural numbers are called whole numbers. Now the difference between any two consecutive whole numbers is how much? Again 1. So like natural numbers, the difference, what is the difference between two consecutive W numbers, whole numbers is 1. Like natural numbers we said it is 1. The numbers that belongs to whole number set and does not belongs to natural number set is what? Here this is what 0. The number belongs to whole number, does not belongs to natural numbers, that is called 0. The number belongs to whole number, but it does not belongs to natural number. It does not belongs to natural number, that is 0. take down these points. Okay, next we are going to discuss about integers. In mathematics, we know that word integers, every time we will call integer. What is the meaning of this integer? We will see in this definition. What are integers, or what is integer? The set of whole numbers together with negatives of natural numbers called integers. Okay, what are the meaning of this point is nothing but here the set of whole numbers with negatives, set of whole numbers with negatives of natural numbers, negatives of natural numbers are called as integers. For example, if you take integer is a symbol z, okay, integer is a symbol z. Sometimes they may give I, sometimes they may give symbol I, both can be considered. So what is integers? Means natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5. For them again you have to put negative values including 0. So how we will write this one is nothing but we will start with a maximum negative. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and so on, like this. Means in this we have natural numbers are there, 0 is there, negative natural numbers are also present. This set we will call it as integers. So now broadly we can say that numbers are natural numbers, numbers are whole numbers. If all are present in one set, that set we will call integers. What is the smallest positive integer here? Smallest positive is plus 1. Smallest positive is plus 1. Okay, when it comes to the greatest positive, as usual, it cannot be determined. The greatest negative integer is how much? When you say it is minus 1, that minus 1 is called the greatest negative integer. Negative integer. Smallest positive integer is plus 1. Greatest negative integer is minus 1. When it comes to smallest negative integer, again it cannot be determined. Like greatest positive integer. That means what is the smallest negative or greatest positive integer? Both these cannot be determined. Both these cannot be determined. Okay, this is the point about integers. Let's move on to the next one. What is generally we will talk about a number called even number in the number system. Okay, another point is even number. What is even number? Numbers which exactly divisible by 2. So number is there, number exactly divisible by 2. They are said to be even numbers. For example, if you take the set of even numbers, the set of even numbers will be denoted by letter E, and you can write what is that set means. You can start with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, like that. What is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and all means they are the numbers exactly divisible by 2. Okay, this is what we can say. The difference between any two consecutive even numbers is now how much? What is the difference between any two even numbers? even numbers, consecutive even numbers. Consecutive numbers. That means 2 0, 4 2, 6 8. Anything you take, then that difference will come 2. Like difference between any two consecutive natural numbers is 1. Like that of difference between any two even numbers is how much is 2. How it is possible means that is 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 8, 8 minus 6 is 2. Like that we can continue. So this is one small example for that one. Next and last point under this session, that is what is odd number? What is odd number? What do you mean by odd number? O is a symbol also sometimes we will use for this odd number. What is odd number? Numbers which are divided by 2. What is the numbers which are divided by 2 leaves the remainder as 1. So which can be divided by 2, leaving how much remainder? 1 as remainder. Leaving 1 as remainder. Okay. Or 2n plus 1 is also a formula in generally we will use. Remainder as 1. For example, if you take 3. 3 divided by 2. What is the remainder? The remainder is 1. So 3 is what? 3 is odd number. How many such type of numbers are there? We will check it. There are odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. etc. These are said to be the odd numbers. The difference between odd numbers, difference between even numbers, always it is same, that is 2. Here also we want to find difference between the two consecutive odd numbers, then that will also will become 2. Example, 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Like that we can write. So that's all. That with this session we have finished the introduction of the number system, including whatever the integers, whole numbers, even numbers, everything. The information. The first session we have done, and next session we will come with more and more applications on this natural numbers for the IIT Foundation classes we are going to discuss. Until, have a nice day. Thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel, share my channel to all the students who are interested to listen to my IIT Foundation classes regularly with notifications in YouTube. Thank you very much.